Hi everybody, this is Jusu Kim Matchmaker team at HomeSmart. Today I'm at somebody's private house and I have no idea what she's doing. Let's ask the lady's name first. Can I have your name?
Hello, hi, I'm Lauryn Ciardullo.
And what do you do? Where am I?
So this is my home studio. So I've always been a teaching artist for many years. I was working on Broadway, doing Aladdin, and teaching as well, teaching voice lessons and some piano lessons. And now, since Broadway closed down, I'm teaching full-time, 7 days a week. And I teach voice, beginner piano, acting, voiceover, dance, and I also do script workshops and group singing. So every day is just a big performance here in my studio.
You're teaching a lot of different things. And one of the things you're teaching, you said voiceover. What is that?
So voiceover would be anything you hear on the radio or in a commercial. So perhaps like the intro to a radio show, and now you will hear from our radio host, Billy Bob Thornton. So something like that you might, you might put in, or if it's a commercial for Target,
I bought my Furby at Target and it was amazing. I love my Furby. Get your Furby only at Target.
So things like that, I'll teach young students or adult performers how to change their voice and how to use their voice in so many different ways and create hundreds of different voices for the world of voiceover.
That sounds awesome.
It is, it's really fun.
Oh wow. So you studied just teaching students in the middle of pandemic, right? And how many students do you have?
So I started with just a couple of students that lived, here in Valley Stream or close by on Long Island. And then because I had all this extra time during the pandemic, I opened it up to basically the world. Started with a bunch of free classes just to have kids and young adults see who I am and how I teach. And now I have this whole program of basically 100 students who join me every week for different types of classes. It might be a song and dance, it might be a script workshop where they're acting and singing only, or it might be a private lesson. So, and I have all international students as well. So some of my students will start their private lessons in the morning at 10 a.m., which is like regular after school hours for them, or after college hours. And then I'll have my Long Island students or California students, Florida students, start later in the day. And I just kind of have a menagerie of time slots from 10 a.m. until 7 o'clock at night.
Wow, you studied a global business in the middle of pandemic. That's wonderful. And then, so what could you share like a one story of like a one student because of after she or he took your class, how the person changed or anything like that?
Yeah, I have many students that that started with my classes just to have something to do at home because the parents didn't want them like just watching TV all day long after homeschooling. So a lot of them were very shy. Some of them, English was their second language. Some of them had a lot of trouble reading, especially some of my 7-year-olds, my 8-year-old. And now I've just seen them blossom and turn into this whole new personality with confidence, and they're really proud of themselves after they do a performance. And I make a video and I add sound effects in the background so it looks like a movie to them. And they feel like really proud of the work that they're doing. So that has been really special because as someone who personally, I struggled a lot with school and I had a lot of focus problems and learning disabilities as well. So I totally understand what these kids are going through, trying to make it through school. And so this is their fun little virtual community that they get to make friends and feel accepted and special. And they've just blossomed into a new person after
It sounds like you're not only teaching a class or like acting or voicing or anything like that, you're also providing a safe place for kids to come and build their confidence.
Yes.
If people want to reach you, how do they find you? Where do they find you?
The easiest way is through my website. It's just classwithlauren.com. classwithlauren.com.
Ta-da!
Very easy, Class with Lauren. And or my email is classwithlauren@gmail.com.
That's perfect. I thank you so much for your time and for the great interview.
Thank you.